What's up, guys? So welcome back to another episode of the Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Odate TV. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime I drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. Yeah, so today's bars we have ladies whose ex-boyfriend demolished the house he built for her, sends a clear message to him by posing on the remnants. Yeah, so it's very hard to defeat a strong lady. It is exactly the best caption to give to this lady who has sent a clear message to her ex-boyfriend who demolished her house. Yes, so yesterday reported that a South African man has reportedly demolished a house he built for his girlfriend after she dumped him, saying he was no longer her class. Yes, so in the video shared, you could see a demolition exercise going on. The radio presenter explained that the man is a businessman who built the house for his girlfriend and issued all the paperwork in her name. Well, a day after the demolition, this lady has shared photos standing on these remnants and clearly sending a message to her ex-boyfriend, which could be inferred that she is a hard lady. Okay guys, what's your take on this particular issue? The lady, sending a message to her ex-boyfriend. Can you drop your comments on this particular issue in the comment section below? Let's get interactive in there. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's peace.